Right, South Africa impumalanga ntshonalanga sanibingelela ngisabela omanyazini into ngamanzi ukhasikazi ukwaziwa kwaZulu sinibingelela ku MD Media namhlanje bafethu sila Redsin angazi kukuphi la kodwa ngiphethe comrade kunjani mfowethu
Siyaphila njani
siyaphila mfowethu awuzicha ubingelela abantu bethu siyasichaza ukuthi ubani
ngosiyanda wasibuya bangazo Control Sotobe Ntabule Newcastle
comrade Sotobe right so comrade Sotobe sikuphi la senzani sizothini la kahle kahle
la sise Mansfield Hall Redsin campus sizolontsha imanifesto MK party lapho sizointroduce khona SRC yethu ama candidates ethu siphinde futhi sikhuthaza abafundi ukuthi bazivotele uma befuna ushintsho
right mfethu ngikuzwa ukhuluma indaba yoshintsho ngiyaka sikangeni ngaphakathi akakhulunywa lutho asazi inhlangano isiphathele njengamanje uma uthi like niza noshintsho iluphi ushintsho mhlawumbe ongathi ningaletha nina noma kulezi inkinga ekhona mhlawumbe ungazivezela inkinga bese kuba iluphi ushintsho ningazi nilethe kuthini
okokuqala nje inkinga esinayo abafundi abadifandiwe so we do know ukuthi EFF as SRC led but they did contribute 100% of their budget to allocation of the 800 to the students but then then emva kwalokho esokwenzakalani because ama students phela inyanga ziyaqhubeka ziyahamba ziyaphambili so we had to intervene as MKC and then we donated them a food parcel okuyinto besicanga ukwenza every month kube initiative esiyenza every month because we know ukuthi ama students angeyaza khona focusing mayelele ngendlala two futhi sinalento leyo ukuthi ama students ahlezi register ama templates are wrong so bahlezi be register for NSFAS njalo ngo January so and then base defunded then isikolo neSRC bathule bayabukelela then bacabanga ukuthi leyo nto leyizosuza somehow angazi kanjani but mina ukukhola kwami angeke bahlale 6 terms in office of the SRC but hlezi every year hlezi sibhekane nenkinga ezodwa second sinama resa angawona esimeni ukuthi kuhlale abafundi but still sayathola kunalo nyaka lo Okwesithathu siyazi ukuthi kwakhishwa ibudget ye-freshers party ya 1.1 million but there was ayikho into esibonayo significance eyenziwa ngaleyo mali leya ukuzibona ukuthi kwakuyi-freshers yenziwa nasemini ukukhatha ama-cost so we know ukuthi EFF behind the scenes imali bayazi ukuthi bayenzeni so we encourage ama-students ukuthi it's time for a change, it's time for a new leadership, it's time for a new SRC so that we can see change in this institution because asikwazi ukuthi every year masibuya sibhekana nenkinga ezodwa mina ngiyakholelwa ukuthi le nkinga lezi sibhekana nazo ngenxa yokuthi bayishiya ngababomu khona bezophinde bayilwele next day kubonakala ukuthi ngathi konke abayenzayo inkulu kanti akukho lutho abayenzayo ngaphandle ukuthi bayeke inkinga esibani ngaba bayayisolve ngaso isikhathi besinaso
right mfethu ngabe ngiyabuza ukuthi mhlambe yiphi indlela nithi nizoyilungisa kodwa ngoba usushiya ukuthi sikuyi-manifest la okusho ukuthi kuseneyinkulumo ezizoba khona mhlasimpe ngakekelela for lo thuba sikene phasi izwe inkulumo ukuthi kuthiwani kodwa nje awukugcina mfethu awakho ungadlulisa kubafundi ngaphambi kokuba sivale
bafundi base-DOT if nimisele ukushintsha institution yethu ngokuthi silethe upholo bright ngizokubona ukuthi sekuyisikhathi ukuthi sishintshe upholo manje be-SRC because masikhuluma amaqiniso yebo phela ngokubuningi kwabo nokugijima kwabo emgaqweni nokuba udlame kwabo but konke lokho akusho ukuthi bayalenza ushintsho so if nifuna ushintsho ngempela it's time to elect new ideas, new people, new leadership so that you can enforce the new policies to the school and the institution so that you can be better and produce more quality graduates.
Hayi siyabonga mfethu.
Siyabonga.